Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in into your Snapchat web without your phone, right? So you can see this is Google and you have to just type Snapchat and you will get this, and here if you click this you will be redirected to here. For example, let me show you. And once you're here, you have to click on login into chat. By the way, if you use your Snapchat regularly over your PC or laptop, you can just install it, right? Here also there is option of download, but I will show you only the web version. Click on to log into the chat, and once you're here it will just load for a few seconds. And here you have to enter your username or email, right? If you don't have your username or email, you have to use your phone number instead. But as the topic name suggests you, I will show you without doing your phone number, without using your phone. So just enter your username or email. Let me add mine. So guys, once you enter your username, you have to enter your password. And guys, once you enter your password, your interface will be look like this. On the right side, you can just swipe up Snapchat spotlights, just like Instagram Reels, right? You can just, if you want, you can just play through your mouse. And on the left side, you will see all your friend list. You can have chat with them, do a video call with them, or whatever you like to do with them, you can just do, right? And this is your profile. You can just change the theme and everything. So exactly, you can do everything what you wanted to do over the phone, you can just do it in the web version of Snapchat. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.